Good evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Friday, February the 12th. We're breaking Bomb Box full size helmets. To one boxer, we randomed up our 27 remaining box numbers. We got box number 28. We did random teams for it on your left. Teams, customers, been randomized, alphabetized. We gave them a couple minutes to trade, but we're not seeing anything, folks. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Well, actually, not what I thought it was, but bam! That is going to be the Cincinnati box, guys. Bam! Going to be the Joe Burrow Eclipse Authentic, folks. Fanatics hologram on that. That is Burrow. Who has Cincinnati? Well, that is going to be a butthole. Butthole, gonna take that one, folks. You guys are hitting super nasty, guys. We are pulling almost no filler shit here again this series, man. You guys are hitting unbelievably friggin' solid, man. We have had almost no fillers yet in this series. We're going to pull out one of buttholes. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. I got James and Jason are going to take the qualifiers. That is qualifiers 35 and 36, breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. Alright, you have a good one, DP. I'm sorry, bud. Well, that figures, Burrow. JK, I don't know if we're gonna manage to get out another break here tonight, bud. We'll see how many keeps we got here, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to squeeze out another box here tonight. I'm getting a lot of guys heading out. All right, anybody in there keeping, folks? I'm not sure, Justin. We'll have to see how many keeps we get, I guess. All right, any other keeps at all, guys? Any other keeps at all? So far, I've only got Justin keeping. Anybody else keeping at all, folks? So anybody up top keeping? Larry? I think Larry said he's out, but I just want to give him a chance to chime in there. No, don't send, JK. Yep, so JK, don't send, bud, until I know so far I'm not getting any keeps, so we got way too many open spots. I don't see us getting this broke tonight, to be honest. Yeah, bud, I appreciate it. Let me just see who's keeping, and well, give me a minute. Let me see who's keeping. If we get enough keeps, we'll try to keep her going. But if we don't get enough keeps, we're gonna have to call her a night. I mean, it took us over an hour, almost an hour, to fill that last one. Yeah, it's not looking good here, guys. All right, what I will do is I'll try a filler, guys, but we got to get some fast drops on this, guys. I'm not going to try to filler this for an hour here. Yep, we're going to have to get some fast drops. JK, what we'll do is we'll put you on the board. Don't send over, though, until I tell you to. We're going to see if we can fill it. If we do fill it, you can send then. If not, we are going to call her a night here. Same with you, Justin. So, you know, we'll see if we can filler this out. If you know, just in case we can't, we got you on the board. We can always pull you off if we can't filler it. But I'm losing a ton of guys here. So, being honest, don't think we're going to be able to fill this, but we will give it a shot. Come on, guys. We're going to need some early drops on this filler. We're not going to spend an hour filling that sucker, guys. JK, do you want fulls or fillers? JK, again, did you want fulls or fillers as far as those 5 spots go? So did you want 2 full spots and 5 fillers, or did you want 5 fulls? All right, JK. So again, Ragtag, he wanted fulls. All right, so don't send again, bud, until we know we're going to be able to fill this. Where do you see Justin dropping for 2 as well? I'm not seeing Justin's comment at all. I thought he said he was out. Yeah, I'm not seeing Jason's drop at all. All right, Ragtag, just making sure, because I'm not seeing Jason chiming in at all. All right, so we're down to one. All right, filler is closed, folks. Filler is closed. I got Jason for 2, Bradley for 3. I got James for 3, JK for 2, Larry for 1. One more time, I got Jason for 2, Bradley for 3, James for 3, JK for 3, Larry for 1. All right, guys, now you can send over for your fulls as well, folks. We've really only got to filler this out like one more time, so you guys can send on over. All right, thank you, Jason. Whoops, sorry, that's wrong. Sorry, I meant to repaste the other one. Sorry, Ham. Yep, 125. And hang on a second. Let me get you that email if you need it. We got 7 fulls left, Jason. We got 7 fulls left. We will try to refiller it right after this. We'll close it out with fillers. So anybody want fulls? Scoop them up now. We have 7 left. Thank you, Justin. Here we go. All right, don't take 2, 4, or higher. We got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times. Everybody, bam. Jesus, I'm sorry, JK. I'll give you a 1 in the next one there. All right, so JK, I'm sorry about that, but I'll give you a filler in the next one. No, it doesn't make up for 3, but whoops, I didn't mean to do that, sorry. I don't know why that didn't paste there. All right, any more takers on full spots, folks? We are closing those out. We have 4 left. Any more takers here? This is last call for fulls. I'm getting ready to line this right now. We'll have 7 left. I gave JK 1. Bam. Yep, bud, give me 1 second. Damn it. All right, 7 fillers gets us breaking, guys. This is probably going to be our last box of the night here. All right, we're down to 3. We're down to 3.